Still cleaning your floors yourself? A good robot vacuum doesn't just save time, it can completely change how you keep your home clean. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one is harder than ever. So in this video, we researched and compared the best robot vacuums based on cleaning performance, smart features, automation, real-world usability, and overall value, to help you find the right one for your home. Stay until the end because our number one pick delivers the closest thing to truly hands-free cleaning. Home. Stay until the end because our number one pick delivers the closest thing to truly hands-free cleaning. If you want to check prices or learn more about any option, links to all featured products are in the description below. Also, before we jump in, subscribe to Nexeey and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Now, let's get started. Number 5, Eufy Omni S2. If your goal is convenience without constant maintenance, the Eufy Omni S2 is a strong place to start. This robot vacuum is designed for people who want cleaning done automatically without thinking about it every day. Its strong suction handles, dust pet hair crumbs daily debris across both carpets and hard floors. But the bigger advantage is intelligence. The navigation system maps your home accurately and moves efficiently around furniture while avoiding unnecessary bumps and missed areas. Where the Omni S2 really stands out is the dock. After cleaning, it automatically empties debris, cleans mop pads, refills water, and prepares itself for the next session. That means less maintenance and more actual automation. If you want premium convenience without going all in on flagship pricing, this is an easy recommendation. Number 4, Ecovacs Deebot X12 Omni Cyclone. If your home has lots of hard floors, this next option deserves attention. The Deebot X12 Omni Cyclone focuses heavily on delivering a stronger mopping experience while still maintaining powerful vacuum performance. Instead of simply dragging a damp cloth across the floor, it actively scrubs surfaces to remove dry dirt and everyday mess. At the same time, strong suction keeps debris from being pushed around. Navigation feels smooth and intelligent. Furniture, corners, open areas. Everything gets covered efficiently. And once cleaning is done, the dock handles the rest automatically. Washington dry, empty, reset. Minimal effort from you. For homes where mopping matters as much as vacuuming, this is one of the better premium choices. Number 3, Roborock S820. Now we move into serious performance territory. The Roborock S820 combines strong cleaning power with smart decision-making. This is the type of robot vacuum people buy and immediately wonder why they waited so long. It performs exceptionally well with pet hair, fine dust, food crumbs, and everyday mess. But performance alone isn't enough. Its obstacle detection helps avoid cords, furniture legs, and small household items with impressive consistency. That means fewer interruptions and more complete cleaning sessions. Add the automated dock, and maintenance becomes almost effortless. If you want premium cleaning with fewer compromises, this is one of the strongest all-around options. Number 2, Roborock Qrevo Curv. We have one of the most balanced robot vacuum and mop combinations available. The Roborock Qrevo Curv. This model focuses on doing everything well. Strong suction, accurate mapping, reliable mopping, smart navigation. But what makes it stand out is consistency. Room after room, it delivers dependable cleaning performance without requiring constant adjustments. Its self-maintaining dock keeps everything running automatically. For busy families or anyone who values convenience, this feels like a true upgrade. But there's still one model that pushes automation even further. Number 1, Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete. If you want the most complete robot vacuum experience, this is our top pick. The Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete. This machine combines exceptional suction, advanced obstacle avoidance, AI-powered navigation, premium mopping, and next-level automation. It intelligently works around household obstacles while maximizing cleaning coverage. Whether it's carpet, hard floors, or pet hair, it handles nearly everything with minimal input. But the real highlight is the dock. Automatic emptying, automatic washing, automatic drying, automatic water refill. Weeks of hands-free cleaning. If your goal is buying once and getting the best overall experience, this is the one to beat. Those were our picks for the best robot vacuums available right now. Check the links below for updated pricing and availability. If you're interested in any of the products we featured in this video, you'll find carefully selected links down in the description. We've picked them based on different needs and different budgets, so you can easily choose what fits you best. Got questions? Or maybe there's a product you want us to review? Just drop a comment below. We actually go through every request, and your feedback really helps shape our upcoming videos. And if this video helped you in any way, support Nexeey by liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who might need it.